A little low, konting warning from the referee. Oh! Overhand right. A jumping overhand right. He went.
Bago matapos ang taong 2023, dalawa pang bigating boxing match ang aabangan nating mga Pinoy fight fans. Bago ang historical fight sa pagitan ni Naoya the Monster Inoue kontra sa ating nag-iisang world champion na si Marlon the Nightmare Tapales sa December 26, meron pang isang laban na hindi natin dapat palampasin. Yan ang pagbabalik ng tinaguriang Magnifico ng Pinoy boxing at dating WBC World Featherweight Champion na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
Presenting Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
Ito ang unang laban nito sa Super Featherweight Division at walang takot na lalabanan ng Mexican fighter na si Eduardo Ramirez alias Zurdito. Ang 30 anyos na tubong Los Mochis Sinaloa, Mexico ay pangpito sa pinakamahusay na Super Featherweight ng bansang Mexico at dating WBA World Interim Featherweight Champion at napasabak sa mga matitinding fighters tulad na lamang ni Isaac Pitbull Cruz. Kahit hindi pinalad si Ramirez kontra kay Pitbull, nanalo ito sa pamamagitan ng impresibong knockout win sa kanyang huling laban nito lamang Agosto. Kaya ito ang bagong landas na tinatahak ni Mark Magsayo. Yan ang Super Featherweight Division at ang kanyang ruta ay ang WBC World Title. Dahil sa ngayon, pang number 6 contender ito sa WBC title na hawak ni O'Shakay Foster. Ang 30 anyos na alias Icewater ng Houston, Texas ay may record na 21 wins, 2 talo at 12 sa kanyang mga panalo ay by knockout. Tinalo nito ang unang nagbigay ng dungi sa undefeated record noon ni Magsayo na si Ray Vargas. Magugunit ang bigo si Magsayo idepensa ang WBC World Title noon at nalasap ang unang talo sa mahigpit na laban via split decision. At sa huling laban ni Mark Magsayo kontra sa Mexican-American na si Brandon the Heartbreaker Figueroa para sa WBC Interim title. Sa kasamaang palad ay hindi nito napanalo ang laban. Bigo si Magsayo via unanimous decision. Kaya sa bagong kabanata ni Triple M ay umaasa tayong mga Pinoy na magbabalik ito sa kanyang trono sapagkat si Mark Magsayo ay isa sa mga kasalukuyang sikat na Filipino fighter. Maaaring ilang laban pa bago ito humarap muli sa isang world title fight. At dito, sa kanyang bagong division ay malaki ang posibilidad na makikita natin ang mas malakas, mas agresibo at mas mapanganib na Magnifico. Kaya sa bagong ruta ni Triple M ay sabay-sabay nating suportahan ang kanyang tinatahak patungo uli sa World Championship. For today's video, balikan natin ang impresibo na simula ni Magsayo sa kanyang makulay na karera. Ito ang laban ni Mark Magsayo kontra sa dayong Thailander at dito tayo ang dinayo sa ating teritoryo. Dito ang batang Magsayo ay magpapasiklab at mag-uumpisang magbigay ng pangalan at magpapakilala sa mga boxing fans sa Pilipinas.
Mark Magsayo because he can explode anytime.
But this is earlier on in his record. He's had some fairly easy fights. But this one, Sukasem from Thailand,
2009 actually won it back in 2011.
and he was not singing. He connected with a good right from under. The right uppercut by Magsayo. Left hook. Good left from under by Magsayo. He missed with the left. He got caught with the hard left from Sukasem.
Magandang kaliwa yun. I mean, weaving well, moving his head well. And he caught Magsayo.
Dito makikitaan na ng potensyal na magiging world champion balang araw si Mark Magsayo dahil sa kanyang mga galaw at lakas ng mga kamao.
Very busy.
Final seconds of the opening round.
Right hand by Magsayo. Oh, good right hand. At Sukasem, Chit Yong-gut ng Thailand and the Thai Sukasem.
He's,
Oh, good uppercut.
alam mo ni si Magsayo knows he's gonna fight ang laban talaga ito to Thailand. A good right hook by
Good right hand.
Ayun.
Oh, beautiful counter amateur fight.
Good right and a left to the body and a right. But
Laban.
laban talaga. He connects with a good jab.
Inakala ibabalik. Oh,
Good right
counter
up.
right.
Sayo, beautiful right hand. Good shot.
Good right hand by Magsayo. The right hand.
Dalawa. He's in trouble now.
Big uppercut.
He's ready for the taking. Another beautiful right and a right to the bone niya. Maganda yung galaw niya. Maganda yung timing niya.
May sequence kasi na masyadong masuntok ni Sukasem.
Sukasem.
And Magsayo took advantage for Magnifico. Another right hand.
Left and a right. Magsayo, particularly good. Have a good left and a right. Hard right. There goes.
Nagmukha asim si Sukasem. Sa mga kanan si Sukasem, he was weaving well, landing some right hands. Pero ngayon,
Good left-right combination. But Sukasem, Sayo to go after Sukasem. But he's a little smarter than that.
land. Right hand by
Sayo.
the fighters.
Good body shot by...
Magsayo looking for the finishing touch. Round.
Palagay ko, gigil na gigil. Yung bata na ito eh. He wants to put on... Good.
Magsayo off round
Itong round na ito. Tama ka. Kasi minsan, when you're tight, yung gigil na gigil ka, medyo mahirapan ka ng mga timing mo.
Tayo. Way inside.
Magsayo missed with the rising his elbow.
Oh. Big hit there. Trying to nail him with an uppercut.
He got caught.
Black and red trunks kontra sa Thai fighter na si Sukasem. Magsayo, of course.
He looks like a young Rolando Navarrete. Saka yung mukha niya din.
Compact Rolando Navarrete, former WBC Super Middleweight champion back in the 90s.
Emilius Boza Edward in Villarreal
Yeah, that was a classic match.
at the resort.
Oh, duel at the park.
Right. Good right uppercut by
Medyo pesky yung style itong
good right. Looping right hand by
and in Sukasem.
and this is a course tuk-tuk drivers. That's what
Bibigat ng bintawan ni Magsayo and yet the tries
by Magsayo. Left hook. He got it. Beautiful counter. Looping left hand.
Ito naman, under duress na naman itong si Sukasev. Up against Sukasev, hit yung dip ng Thailand. He was hurt in round number 2, hurt again in round number 4. At nauhuli siya ng counter na pagka beautiful body blow. Matibay itong si Sukasev.
Beautiful right hand. Yeah, yung kaliwa niya, side of the body, side of the head, then a right.
Si Sukasev na itong si Sukasev ng Thailand.
Another good body shot. Magsayo going to the body. Oh man, beautiful shot.
Sukasev of Thailand. Magsayo flailing away. A little low, counting warning from the referee. Overhead right.
Wagi si Mark Magnifico Magsayo via TKO.
It's over.
Isang pasabog na performance mula kay Mark Magsayo na halos tumilapon ng kalaban sa labas ng ring.